Central bankers skeptical of crypto's chances of overthrowing gold. Central bankers are skeptical that Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies could take the place of gold in their foreign currency reserves. Approximately 85% of reserve managers believe that cryptocurrencies will not replace gold in their foreign currency reserves. Over a quarter of those polled believed cryptocurrencies had investment potential as uncorrelated assets to help diversify portfolios. However, 57% of officials said they do not expect cryptocurrency to have a significant impact on their reserve operations. More than 30 leading central banks were polled by UBS for the survey. Skeptics of cryptocurrency. The skepticism among central bank officials comes as the cryptocurrency industry expands. Many cryptocurrency supporters see them as a way to protect the value of their savings. This is due to massive stimulus programs designed to combat the pandemic, which has fueled speculation about higher inflation. Despite this, many mainstream investors and institutions are kept at bay by coins experiencing high volatility. This has also diminished its appeal as a reliable store of value. However, as governments debate how to respond to the crypto boom, they are more optimistic about the prospects for official digital tokens. CBDC supporters. While central bank officials remain skeptical of cryptocurrencies, many people are becoming more optimistic about the prospects for central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. According to UBS, 60% of central bank reserve managers expect at least one G7 central bank to have a consumer-available CBDC within the next 5 years. When the expectation was a wholesale CBDC, this figure increased to 80%. CBDC for financial institutions. The officials remarked upon two of the key motivations for pursuing central bank digital currencies. The first was to enhance the retail payment system. The second is to upgrade the broader financial infrastructure, which also includes key functions such as clearing and settlement. According to UBS, central bank officials believe these coins could also help reduce money laundering and crime.